The Torah tells us that the day after Korach was swallowed with Datan v'Aviram, Am Yisrael came to Moshe and told Moshe and Aaron, you killed the nation. Atem amitem et am Hashem. You killed them. So HaKadosh Baruch Hu told Moshe, I'll tell you what to do. Go take a stick and cut the stick into 12 pieces, 13 pieces. And every person, the head of a tribe, should write his name on the stick. And take the sticks and put them inside Kodesh HaKodashim, in the Mishkan, next to the Torah over there. And tell them like this. In the morning, we'll see which stick would have flowers. And that's the one that Hashem said it's going to be for sure the Kohen. No more argument. Who is a Kohen? Aaron is a Kohen. Somebody is a Kohen. Take the sticks out. In the morning, you show them. Tell them, you see, Aaron is a Kohen. There's no argument. This Torah tells us. Moshe went and he got a stick and cut the stick into 13 pieces. And from every tribe, the president of the tribe wrote his name on it. Aaron wrote his name on his stick. Moshe took the sticks, put them inside Kodesh HaKodashim next to the Torah. The following morning, Moshe goes inside, takes it outside. You're allowed to go to Kodesh HaKodashim? If Hashem said, okay. Moshe goes inside, he takes them out, he shows everybody, you see? You see the stick of Aaron? You see it says Aaron. You see Aaron? Not Aaron the supermarket. Aaron. Aaron. You see? And everybody says, wow. Chazak Baruch Moshe. 100%. The question, Rabotai, is what's harder? To put some flowers on the stick or to make a snake out of a stick? What's harder? Moshe already did in Egypt when he came to Egypt. He did it in Pharaoh's palace. He did it also in front of Am Yisrael. Torah says, Moshe came down to Egypt. He said, I'm the Goel. I'm the Redeemer. You want to see something? Look. Moshe took the stick, put it outside, became a snake. So, Moshe can do anything. Moshe can turn a building into an airplane. Moshe can do anything. So what proof it is, Moshe takes the sticks out, you see? What do you see? You made it, Moshe. You made it, like you made in Egypt a snake. Now you made flowers. Torah says, no, it was some almonds also. Okay, almonds. Moshe can make almonds too. If somebody can turn a stick into a snake, he can take the stick and take the stick and say, now you have flowers, now you have almonds. You can have even a parrot inside. What's the big deal? All the magicians do it. What's the big deal? A magician in India a few years ago, in the middle of the court, while the judge was talking to him, he turned himself into a goat. In the courtroom. He said, meh. I said, what happened? The magician is a goat. So what's so hard to turn a stick into a stick with almonds? It's nothing. It's a joke. It's a joke. And everybody say, Chazak Baruch Moshe. Yes, no more argument. Utechal tlunatam me'alai. Hashem said, forget about it. Everybody can say, Aaron. Aaron is the Kohen HaGadol. You say in Alinu L'Shabeach, the second part, Al Ken Nekav Elach. We hope to you, HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We hope for Hashem. Yerot me'era b'tiferet uzach. We want to see the glory of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Avik Yuli Min Haaretz. No more Avodah Zarah. No more reform and conservative temples. Yakiru v'yedu kol yoshvei tevel. Yakiru v'yedu. Should recognize and should know. Kol yoshvei tevel. Everybody should recognize and will know. But everybody will recognize Hashem. recognition from the knowledge of the person. The person recognizes something, that's the proof. And sometimes a person with his eyes can see something, and it's, like we said, like it's registered in his brain. And he said, yet, no question. What? I don't know what it is. My eyes saw something, and my brain translated it, and now it's inside my brain, something. Says like homunculus. Chaim Kanievsky said everybody must say unculus every week. There's a lot of secrets in it. Torah tells us in the morning Moshe took the sticks. The Torah says they looked at the sticks, Am Israel, and they recognized the sticks. Says the Targum, Vayiru. The Torah says Vayiru, they looked. The Targum Onkelos said no, they recognized it. They recognized something. It was something that came out from the stick. Since the stick was next to the Torah in Kodesh HaKodeshim, Barchenu Avinu Kulanu Ke'echad Be'or Panecha. It's a special light that went inside the stick. When they looked at the stick, they said the stick is dead. My stick is dead. They look at the stick of Aaron, they saw light came out from the stick. That Moshe cannot do. That's from Hashem. Moshe lo yada ki kara nor panav. The Torah tells us Moshe came down from Har Sinai. All of Israel were afraid to come near him. 40 years, even Aaron, Moshe had to put a mask on him. Only when he spoke to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, he picked up the mask. So 40 years, nobody saw Moshe's face. Moshe, he looks like, like an Arab. He had something on his face, a mask. We saw only the eyes of Moshe Rabbeinu. This is why Torah says that so much light came out of his face, they couldn't tolerate it, they couldn't take it. The holiness of Moshe Rabbeinu. The light is from Hashem. And Moshe came down from Har Sinai with the second set of the Luchot, as well, the first one as well, says the Gemara was. Same thing. So much light. Gemara said, Elisha, Hanavi, had so much light in his face, any lady who would look at his face would die. He has to go all the time like this. People should not look at his face, because people might die from the light. Hashem told Moshe, listen, you take those sticks, cut it into, you shouldn't say, Aaron had a special stick. He went to Lowe's, not to Home Depot. He got a better one, better quality. No. Take one stick, cut it into 13 pieces. Each one should write his name. Aaron should write his name, put it over there. In the morning, you see something. You see, they saw the flower, they saw the almonds, they saw the light that came from the stick. That Moshe cannot make light. Of course, he could, but the light of HaKadosh Baruch Hu nobody can make. It's the light of Hashem. We pray to Hashem. Hashem, please bless us with your light. With the light of Hashem נתן לנו תורה וחיים, אהבה וחסד, דרכה ורחמים, ברכה ושלום. Everything comes from the light. The person, Ari says, is to pray to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you should have the light of Hashem all the time. They will say 3 times a day. We want the light. The light gives you everything. The light gave this stick flowers. The light gave those sticks almonds. And then when everybody saw, there's no more argument. Because now you see. When you see a light, there's no more argument. I said, that's what Torah wants to tell you. The main thing is to have the light. The light comes from the Torah. That's why Hashem said to Moshe, go put the sticks next to the Torah. Why next to the Torah? Why you have to let them hold it in the hand? He says, no. You get the light. The life of a person comes from the light of Hashem. And the person has to pray to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. For everything I need your light. You have to be a vessel, says Dari. You have to be a vessel. The light should come into you. You have to be pure and holy and midot tovot, good habits, like Aaron HaKohen. Like Aaron HaKohen, look, his stick shines. Forget about Aaron shines. Forget about Moshe shines. The stick shines. That's what says, there's no more questions, You have to follow Aaron HaKohen. Abraham Nehemiah wrote in Sefer דברי הימים, Aaron Kodesh Kodashim. Aaron is the holiest of the holiest. With his habits, was the holiest of the holiest. The Gemara says, Aaron and Moshe are equal. What is equal? They said, Moshe is top of the line in Torah. Aaron was top of the line with habits, with Ahavat Chinam. Make peace. Shalom. They said, the light of HaKadosh Baruch Hu shines when the people have good midot. Via the Torah, that Yakiru v'yedu, Kol Ish v'tevel, Mashiach will come to be the light of Hashem. To be a light of Hashem, and will recognize HaKadosh Baruch Hu. With no question, says the Ramchal, Mashiach will come. One more minute. Over. Shem Merachim. Over. Rosh Chodesh Tov.